In this instructional video, we will be looking at the steps involved in using Ellii's digital flashcard player. The first thing you want to do is create your own flashcard sets from the 4,000 plus flashcards that Ellii has. Click on the Materials tab and select Flashcards from the drop-down menu. You can search for specific flashcards in the search bar or scroll down the left to see the already categorized sets. Click on Individual Flashcards to create your sets. Then select Save to Set. You can also print or further manage or customize your sets using the Flashcard pop-up menu. A window pops up for you to name your new flashcard set or save to an existing set. I titled my new flashcard set Takeout and then I click Save. Now your flashcard set is successfully saved. You can view the new set at this point and continue to add and customize. Another way to retrieve your flashcards is to go to the Saved tab on the landing page and select Flashcard Sets from the drop-down menu. From the Flashcard Sets page, select a flashcard set. Click on the ellipsis to the right of the flashcard set to launch during a synchronous online class or select Share electronically with students. If you click on Launch, the flashcard player will open up. In the player, you can click on the play button for the audio, click on the image for the word to appear, and use the left and right arrows to advance or go back in the selected set. If you want to launch the flashcards in an online class, you will have to enable share screen on whatever video conferencing platform you are using. To share flashcards with your students, select Share with Students from the Flashcard Sets main page. Then, choose a class and click the Continue button to proceed to a student selection. Use the checkboxes to choose which of your students in a class will receive the flashcard set. Click Continue in the pop-up box to share the flashcards. Once you click Share, your student or students will see the flashcard set on their flashcards page the next time they log into Ellii. You have the option to add a note with each flashcard set you send. You have just watched the instructional video on how to use Ellii's digital flashcard player with your students.